Look at this image. A few years ago, we thought this was a joke. A programmer begging on the street. It's impossible. Coding was a safe job. It was a golden ticket. But today, I am not here to tell you a ghost story. I am here to tell you that the safe zone is gone. We used to think AI would come for the truck drivers, the factory workers first. We were wrong. It came for the artists, this came for the writers, and right now, as you watch this, it is coming for the analytical thinkers, the coders, the accountants, the people who sit at the desk just like mine. I am going to prove you why your job, yes, yours, is statistically likely to disappear in the next 3 to 5 years. And exactly what you need to do right now to not end up holding that sign. Here is a realistic part that nobody talks about. You aren't going to be fired by a Terminator robot walking into your office. You are going to be fired by a subscription model. It's called the junior trap. Think about it. If I run a business, why would I hire a junior developer or a junior copywriter for $60,000 a year? Train them for 6 months and fix their mistakes. When I can pay $20 a month for an AI that does it instantly. I tried this myself yesterday. I asked an AI to write a Python script to analyze a data set. It did it in 30 seconds. And what used to take me 3 hours of Googling and debugging, that isn't just efficiency. That is a deletion of an entire skill set. The entry level job is dying, and if there are no entry level jobs, how does anyone become a senior? The ladder has been pulled up. Let's talk economics. When supply goes to infinity, value goes to zero. Intelligence used to be scarce. It was hard to find a good lawyer, a good coder, a good translator. So we paid them a lot. But now intelligence is becoming infinite. You can generate infinite code, infinite email, infinite art. When the cost of creating something dropped to zero, the salary for the person who used it to create it drops too. This is the bigger reality from the thumbnail. It's not that a human will be banned from working, it's that a human will be too expensive to justify. Why pay a human $50 per hour to do something a server does for $0.01? We are looking at a competence crisis. If you are average at your job, definitely you are in a danger. AI is already average, and AI works for 24 bar 7 without coffee breaks. Now I hear you screaming in the comments, but AI has no soul. It can't replicate human creativity, it hallucinates. Yes, of course, you're right. Currently, it's not perfect, but you betting your mortgage on it saying imperfect. Look at the jump from GPT-3 to GPT-4 and now GPT-5. Look at the jump from AI video a year ago to what we have now. And does your boss cares about sound or does your boss care about shift? In 90% of corporate jobs, good enough and free beats perfect and expensive every single time. Okay, that was the doom. Now, now let's talk about the survival. How do you avoid the fate of the guy in the thumbnail? Simple. Become the editor, not the generator. Stop writing yourself on typing code or typing word. Pride yourself on architecting solution. The value is no longer in the brick. It's in the blueprint. Let AI lay the bricks. You be the architect. Hyper niche adaptation. AI is general intelligence. It is great at the average. It is bad at specific, weird, human edge cases. Be the expert in the messy stuff that AI can't solve it. And last, soft skills are the new hard skills. Ironically, being a human is your only mode. Negotiation, empathy, leadership, judging quality. AI can generate the work, but it takes a human to know if the work is actually good. Last but not least, the Industrial Revolution, which replaced muscles, the AI revolution is replacing human brain. The transition is going to be painful. There will be winners and there will be people folding signs. You have a choice today. You can ignore this video call. Sorry, you can ignore this video and you can call it as a fear mongering and keep doing a job the way you did it in 2019. Or you can accept that the way the world has changed and start learning to command the machine rather than competing against it. Don't let your skills become a relic. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to survive.